so here's my grandmother's Friedrich Xstar. I'm here with Vann here. We're gonna pull this thing out for servicement finally, and we're gonna get a new sleeve in there.
Yep. So we're gonna pull this chassis out, replace the sleeve.
Yeah.
The unit, straighten some fins and slide it back in.
Yep. All right. So yeah, that's what the plan is.
Keep you posted.
Well, let's start it up one. We'll start it up just before we take it out. First startup of the year.
Can we put the grill on so make it like a nice first startup?
Yeah, okay. Let's do that. Just put that on.
I guess we should.
Want to do the honors?
Sure.
I don't know I think it's set to low cool.
Those are pretty stuck in place.
All right. Low cool, I guess.
Yeah.
You want to do it with the remote? I got the remote right here. I guess we'll do it. Low cool. Oh, it's cool. It works.
There it is.
Yeah. There's dust in there. It blew out dust before, so. Yeah. Go through the fan speeds. I really don't want to get this motor too wet for sure, because it's still good.
Yeah, I definitely keep this grill because the gray matches with the paint.
Yeah. Plus, I didn't even bring a grill. Alright. It works. Let's cut it off.
First startup.
Alright, now let's get to pulling it out.
It's starting to get cold. Alright. So, I grab from here. Now, you don't want it to just suddenly come out, so do bit by bit and then be ready for it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's getting stuck on that one thing.
Where?
Those tabs that they have.
Oh, yeah. The things. Capillary tube.
Yeah. Alright, got one side out.
This thing might have some condensation issues by the looks of that.
Alright, well, we can definitely tilt it down.
See better.
Alright, so I
I
think
can get the compressor side.
this is the compressor side over here.
Yes.
Alright. Do you think we can, I think, unless you take the back, I think. Do you think that'll work if you take the bottom of it?
What do you mean?
The
I
back.
think I was just gonna do like both on the sides here. That'll work.
Unless you want to take the compressor side or?
No, that's alright.
Alright.
You got it. We got it.
Yeah, we're good. Alright. Slowly out.
Slowly but surely, be ready for it.
Alright, we're getting over to the condenser. Here we go.
Alright.
Lift.
Oh, it's got a pump side.
Oh,
Yeah, you can see it on this side.
oh really? Dang, I was correct. Does help.
Let's get that.
Alright, it's out. That gave us no issues. Came out smoothly. So it has a Tecumseh. I thought it had a Samsung.
Yeah,
Interesting.
it's weird. I guess they still use.
Yeah, alright, let's show the people, I guess. Alright, she's pulled. She definitely has a little bit of use on it. See, there's a tag or remnants of a tag. There's the back. You can see where they hit it with the pressure washer. Might have to drill a drain hole on this thing. See the fan motor in there? Tecumseh compressor, of all things. That's the last thing I was expecting, a Tecumseh.
Yeah, I thought it would be a Samsung.
For something this late, a Tecumseh, I'm surprised.
That's nice. Great.
Good unit, solid.
Alright, so we got the sleeve here.
Yeah, sleeve. Let's see. How's it?
It's screwed in.
It's screwed in.
So
Yeah, we
now
got those
we already drilled
bolts.
holes, so that's good. There's pilot holes in there, so we can just put new screws in. We
Oh.
want to take note of where exactly the sleeve is in the wall. So
Yeah. I can kind of.
yeah.
Oh, what's funny is they actually left the. Did they actually just leave the window kit on? Are you fucking serious? They left the window kit on. Look at that.
It's annoying. Is that outside?
They left the window kit in. What? How rude. Oh, if we can unscrew it, then just pull it out.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's in there pretty good. All right. So we'll see about. I think first we're gonna.
All right.
Yeah. All right. Out for now. We'll be back. All right. We plugged the Xstar in. We're gonna just run it out just to try it out, see what happens. So. Yeah, man. Very quiet. Thing's built like a Xstar, original Xstar at that.
Yeah, you're right. It's basically the same unit.
Except it has much more reliable controls. This thing's very solid. It has a Tecumseh compressor in it.
Really nice, and we'll see what we can do. It's a good unit. Gotta watch the rust on the suction key there.
Alright, yeah. I guess we'll go through the fan speeds real quick.
Wow, that's what we're going. Yeah, rotaries are crazy.
Alright, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that means it's thing.
Huh?
That's an easy thing.
Oh, yeah.
Subcooling.
How's it going?
Good.
It's cold?
All the way.
Let's see. Suction line? Getting cold, yeah. I think she has a full charge, definitely.
Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah, why not? A little bit of cross station on there. Alright, I'll cut it off.
Alright, yeah, cut it. Alright, nice.
Watch the ice melt off the capillary. You should spread out these capillaries, because you remember what happened to William Butler's Xstar? Oh yeah, see, this is where it's starting to rub out here.
Oh, yeah. Should we
Yeah,
zip tie that, or?
We can zip tie it, or we can just separate the capillaries.
Should we? I think zip tying will probably be
zip
easier.
tying will work.
We probably have zip ties than foam, you know.
Yeah.
All right.
Not that. I always check those things.
Yeah, planned obsolescence. Caught it.
Man, I don't know. With a Friedrich, I don't know. I feel like sometimes that moves, the copper just moves over time. I have no idea.
I have no clue. Yeah.
All right.
But yeah, that's it. All right, here we go. All right.
Great.
Out. All right, Xstar is clean. Let's start it up. Here we go.
And we're to short cycle it because it was tipped.
Yeah, just let it get it going a little bit. All right. Yeah, I gotta wait 3 minutes.
Yeah, it got cold. Just
Yeah.
let the oil go back to it.
Yeah. Though it wasn't tipped for too long, so we don't have to short cycle it too much.
This is just refrigerator.
Yeah. Seems to run though, so that's good.
All right, so we know it was the outside outlet.
Yeah. Let's give it a minute. All right, this is the last run of the Xstar. We're gonna let it run this time before we put it into the wall again. So we're gonna start this thing up from this angle because this thing actually has a weird thing. So where it kind of has a delayed start. Compressor kicks on, then a few seconds later the fan starts. It's kind of like an ECM motor central unit. So we'll do a startup from there. But yeah, Tecumseh rotary compressor and a Welling fan motor. Here we go. Alright, we're going. I'm gonna let this thing run a little bit. Here, Vann. That's already cold. These Tecumseh rotaries are beasts.
They're good.
I wish more companies would use these.
Yeah, I think they still make them.
Yeah, they probably do. I mean, this thing's
too expensive for Friedrich now.
Yeah, they like their Retchy compressors now.
No, they stopped using those. Now it's Gree, Highly, and GMCC, I believe.
Shit.
No, maybe it's not GMCC.
I thought they still
They
use.
definitely use Gree in pools now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Those are loud.
No, they're quiet actually.
Oh.
But they're, you know.
Most of the
Doesn't
GEs
sound
with
like-
Grees I've seen, they had like loud compressors. Go through the fan speeds, I guess. Smells fresh now. Nope. Smart fan and on to low again. Hear the refrigerator starting to get through. Definitely sounds much happier this time around. The compressor used to get angry, seems like, when the coils were flattened.
Yeah. So I guess.
Yeah, 'tis the time, I guess, to put it in. Since we confirmed it's running.
No, what was I gonna say? I guess you should never assume what compressor it has.
Yeah, I was assuming an LG or a Samsung, but of all things, you got a Tecumseh, which is a lot better than what I was expecting.
Good unit.
Oh, pff.
I killed the AC, Jukes.
Nice. Yeah, I guess the thermostat cut out. I don't know if the wire's right up against it.
Because you have no you're recirculating air right there.
Yeah, it's just blowing right on the thermostat. All right, we're gonna put this thing in. I'll put my camera down as we put it in. So yeah, let's do it. All right. Oh, here we go.
Careful with the copper on the side. Right in.
All right. Whoop. All right. It's in.
All right.
Nice. Sweet. She's in. I'll let that wait a minute, cause. All right. It's in. Let's give it a shot. Here we go. We're going. Like brand new. It's a lot. It's betterly installed this time around. You can definitely tell it's on a tilt. It's almost flush mounted. Have to get a screw for that other side, but yeah, there it is. Look at that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and go get a look at the outside, I guess. It's up there. It's running. It's up there. Try to get underneath. New sleeve installed, and I think it looks much better than what it did. Though I think my drain hole is covered up by the sleeve, but it should drip off. Yeah, the new sleeve in there. This came off a Xstar I got a while back. But yeah, looks much better up there. I love the way this thing came out. Went in with no issues. Alright, look at that. Alright, seems to be running good. All that's left for us to really needing to do is we need to paint here, paint all that up, paint the trim a little bit, and then I think it should be good. So we had to remove the trim to get out the sleeve for some reason, because the guys packed it in there good. Definitely here. It's running very cold. Let's see if I can shut this stupid fan off. I am very happy and satisfied with the outcome of this. Yeah, just have to go ahead and, yeah, there's a few other things we have to do just to the general wall, and I think we're good. But yeah, for now, unit's in, it's running good, it's all running how it's supposed to with no issues. Yeah, I think that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.